Nina. So di na ka manihapon karon. Hindi ka na kumain ngayon. Kasi kumain ka kanina hapon, nangapira ko karon. Ay, basin nang vigil ka. Hi, Kazuki! Or na birthday ka, no? Hi, SYG. What does it mean, SYG? Nagkaon ra kog pat. Wa day ka na birthday? Love you. Love you. Is that meaning? That is the meaning of kayo okay, babe. Huh? Kayo okay, babe. Say kayo. Katong nagkayo kayo. Oh, you okay, babe. Yeah, me okay. Always okay. Okay. Wala man niya to akong cousin, wala po. Yeah, always okay. Kazuki, always okay. Where are you from, Kazuki? Oh. Oh. Okay. 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 Malaysia ako. Kaya pala may malis ka. Grabe, Yeah, babe. Anong ginawa mo sa Malaysia? Hi, Nathaniel Greye. Greye. What's KL? Namilo ko, nilabhan na ako. Ako kay Kuan, ganina nag-end kog live, di ba? After I end my live, nagkuan ko. I have my nap because my head are hurting me. I thought only heart hurt me, also my head. Yeah, that's why I take a nap. And after the nap, I do the laundry. I wash clothes because it's so bad smell already. It's really a bad smell. Pastilan. Lagi pastilan kabaho. Labhan. Yeah, when I smell the clothes, especially in the armpit part, oh my god. You gonna collapse. You're gonna collapse because of the smell. How can writing a concept paper help us work better with others? Yeah, you're gonna collapse, guys. To work better with others. So writing a concept paper often done. That's why I decided to wash my clothes. Humot kaayo akong ilok po do. Nasa na on? Humot og ilok. Kita ka sa sabon. Nagkuha ko sabon. Simhuta ragod. Unsa man na laughing? Why did you drop your ID number? Is this your ID number, Kazuki? Simhuta ragod tawag. Ayaw kay mas makuyapan ko. I'm gonna collapse if I gonna smell your armpit there, Samson. Stingy. Stingy? I don't know the proper pronunciation for that. Stingy? Stingy. No. Yes. Malumay ka ani ba? Mo ganing dili ko simutan na kay malumayon nya tanim mo na magpangita na ko. Isog na.